Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to Mercy of Styles channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do a deep cleaning in my kitchen. I hope you guys are doing well today because me, as always, I'm doing amazing. A lot of you might think the bathroom is the worst part, dirtiest part in your home. And I want you to guys take some time to think again because the kitchen, there's a lot of germ that you will never think about because all the cross contamination and everything in the kitchen going on. So you have to reconsider. If you are somebody that think only the bathroom, that's the dirtiest part, think again. I really love to steam clean my home. And guys, for some, maybe a lot of work, but me, I love it. By doing so, I'm using this FEPPO or FEPPO steam mop cleaner. And guys, this is a 10-in-1 multi-purpose attachment for floor, hardwood, tile, grout, windows, kitchen, everywhere, bathroom, everywhere you want to clean. This one have you covered. Not only is gonna keep your home clean and fresh, it's gonna kill all the bacteria. And guys, compared to mop, when you mop, it's gonna be clean, visible, but you cannot see the thing that you can see without naked eye. So this one can help you. That's why not because I'm doing the collab with this company. If you've been watching me lately, you'll see I always use steam clean everywhere throughout my home because I have a special needs son that eat off the floor. Is imperative for me to keep my home very clean. Okay guys, as you can see, all the handle that you can have, the steam that come with it is fabulous. So that's a good way to keep your home clean. I use Dawn as a soap to make it to clean it better, but guys, it's not really recommended, but me, that's what I like, that's what I use. And guys, I really love how this can clean my home totally. I clean the kitchen, I can clean the bathroom, the living room, the tile, grout, everywhere. And guys, I really like it. So the link will be in the description box down below if something like that interests you, because you need something like that in your life. I always have steam clean and clean throughout my home because it's the best way to keep yourself and your family safe. The tank capacity is 370 ml and it has a very long cord of 16.4 feet. And guys, you can reach a lot of places, and it's super lightweight, easy to use. This part of my home is both entry from front to back. I really put a lot of attention here because that's where people come in from my house and get out, and both ways, because my kid love to play outside, and this part of the home it's messy a lot of times. So that's why I put a lot of attention here, guys. So the link will be in the description box down below. If you're looking for something like that, make sure to check it out, because the best way, like I said, to keep your home safe, because the mop will remove what you can see, but the thing you cannot see, they are the most harmful. Okay guys, so make sure to check the link down below if you're looking for something like this. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue, mon ami aussi. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support, je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec mes amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi tout merci un peu pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi remets. For my island, I'm going to do a cheese tray. and it's super easy, super inexpensive to do. I don't want to say cheap, guys, but it's super inexpensive to do. I get most of the thing from Walmart. I think all of them from Walmart. Hard salami and I have cheese, grape, and I have more than that. But before I blink my eyes, my kid didn't want to let me finish the cheese tray, so I come up with this, and I hope you guys like it. And guys, it's another best way to elevate your home, and the kids love it, especially for snacks. They love them. So just do my cheese tray, and then when they come, if the food is not ready yet, they can have some snack to enjoy themselves. Super easy to do. I don't use glove because I wash my hands, and I'm doing it for my children. Behind the scene, that's the way I do, so there was no need for me to put gloves. But if you're doing for somebody else, like you're doing for any other people, so it's recommended for you to put gloves on. But me, since I'm doing it for myself and my children, there wasn't no need for me to put gloves. I just need to wash my hand thoroughly. Okay guys, if you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be who I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you.
Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's the end of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.